Hey man, what's up?
Yo!
Yo.
Woo! Yo, today's the day.
Today's the day.
You ready to teach me how to drive?
Yeah man, show me what you got.
All right. I'm professional.
So you check your corners.
Right or left?
Right.
What's right?
Oh my god, this way, right.
Okay.
Go here, it's like a rotary, okay? Yeah,
Left,
okay,
left,
yeah, left,
left,
okay, left, okay, be careful.
Okay.
Check. What are you doing, man? Check your corners!
Hey, I know how to drive. Shut up, okay?
You know what? Okay, you know what? Just stop the car.
Stop the car?
Yeah, just stop
right
the car.
now?
Stop the car!
Okay.
Okay, you know what? I know what to do.
What?
It's time for wing brake! Get out of the car, man.
What?
Get out of the car!
Why?
Get out!
Hey!
Get out!
Why?
Alright, it's wing brake time.
What?
10 seconds, alright? Get here. Gonna just clip it. Got it here. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, boy, get back in here.
What?
Get back in here, come on.
Why?
Come on, it's ready.
What have you done? What is this?
Well, all it does is, let's do an example, okay? So let's say I'm just gonna delicately press on the brake and you see it stops the car.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, much better, right?
Oh, yeah, it's better for us.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Right.
Now we're safe.
Exactly. Now I don't have to stress out as much. Or I could also just do something like this.
Oh, why?
For fun.
Okay.
I'm just having fun right
Oh
now.
my god, do it, best mistake. Come on. Hey! Hey, it's not safe at all.
Alright, it's okay. Now I could trust you. And if I see there's a problem, I could just brake anytime.